Hi, my name is TJ, and it's time for the Fun Farm Show, an educational program for kids. Let's watch it now.
Welcome to the Fun Farm, kids and cadets, where we grow fun. And what is fun? It's good for you, and good to enjoy with others.
What's on your face?
What? Oh, I'm growing out my beard.
Oh,
Kind of stretchy right now.
I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, well, it's getting colder on the farm,
Oh.
and so a beard helps keep my face warm.
Oh,
Yeah.
I guess that makes sense.
Can turtles grow beards?
Not that I know of. Well, my grandfather did. He lived to be 1,000 years old.
Wow.
He was a wizard.
Ooh, that's special. What was his name?
The great and powerful Steve.
Oh, well, of course, everybody's heard of the great and powerful
Oh,
Steve.
ow.
Oh, I'm
You
so
hit my-
sorry.
You hit my toe.
Oh, and you have a boo-boo.
Yeah.
What happened?
I tripped on something.
What'd you trip on, TJ?
I don't want to say.
Oh, you can tell us. We're all friends here.
I tripped on one of my toys.
Oh, one of your toys. And how did you trip on that?
I forgot to put it away.
Oh, see, kids and cadets, we always want to put our things away. And if we don't, we could have an accident. And it might not be us. It might be somebody else. So we always put our things away, right? And we put them in the same spot so we can find them.
That's true.
Did Mrs. G fix you up?
Yeah, she put a Band-Aid on it and kissed my boo-boo.
Oh, well, that's very special. That'll heal much faster because her kisses are magical.
I hope so.
Yeah. And speaking of Mrs. G, let's talk about the to-do list.
Oh.
Yeah?
What's on the list?
Let's find out. Mrs. G's to-do list. She wants us to go to the garden.
Oh, the garden?
Yeah. We don't spend a lot of time in the garden.
I haven't been to the garden yet.
Well, we'll have to discover what she wants. This could be exciting.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And after that, we're going to go to the pet pen.
Oh, I do like the pet pen.
Oh, yes. Always nice to check on all of our animal friends. So, garden first, kids and cadets. Think garden, TJ, and we're going to get there with our magical kazoo. Kazoo!
Oh.
And here we are in the garden.
Oh, wow.
Good job, kids and cadets.
The corn's doing really good this year.
Yeah, it has to be at least TJ high by the 4th of July.
That's funny.
Yeah, and it's nice to see it doing so well. We have some great pumpkins that are growing too.
Oh,
Yeah.
I like that one.
I know. I like great big pumpkins.
Mm.
And I'm wondering why Mrs. G wanted us to come to the garden.
Oh,
I mean, things are doing well, but they were doing well yesterday too.
maybe there's a note on the paper?
I'm going to look at that to-do
The
list
to-do
again.
list?
Sometimes I'm in such a hurry that I don't pay as good attention as I should. Kids and cadets, sometimes you have to slow down and focus. Oh, here it is, right in small letters. Get some pumpkins for the pigs.
Oh, okay.
Pigs like pumpkins too.
Oh, they just eat them whole?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we don't even put them into a pie. They just love them.
Oh, wow.
And I love pumpkins also, but in a pie. So, don't you like pumpkins? Good for you too.
Oh,
So,
all right.
let's get...
That one.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
We'll put it in your wagon.
Oh, all right.
I like that one. That's a good one.
Okay, yep.
And let's get one more. Which one should we get?
What about that one?
Oh, that's a good one. And you're going to hold them still in that wagon.
Yep, I got them.
Good. And you're attached to the wagon, so we're going to have the wagon come with us, kids and cadets. So let's think animal, pet pen.
Yep.
Pet pen.
Yep.
Here we go. Kazoo.
Oh,
Here we are in the pet pen.
Oh.
Good job, kids and cadets.
oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Yeah. And we brought our pumpkins with us. Good job,
Yep.
TJ, holding on to all
Oh,
that.
thank you.
Yeah. And the pigs aren't here.
Oh,
Oh, they're over there rolling around in the mud like
oh,
pigs do.
all right. You know.
But I wonder where... Oh, right here in the trough.
Oh,
We can put the pumpkins and some other treats for the pigs in the trough.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here we'll put that one. There we go.
Yep.
And that one. There we go.
Okay.
And that one.
Oh.
There we go. And pigs will really enjoy these pumpkins.
Oh.
But we should probably put some other things in there.
Oh, what else do they like?
Well, we could put some green beans in.
Oh, did you bring those?
I did. They're just right over here next to the trough. Mrs. G must have left them for us.
Oh.
So we'll put those in the trough. And, ooh, how about some watermelon?
Oh,
Yeah, she brought some watermelon. Yeah, I love watermelon. I don't know anybody who doesn't like watermelon.
I don't like watermelon.
Oh, well, the pigs do, so there we go. And I think that's a good start. We don't
Oh.
want them to get too fat. You can't have an overweight pig.
Oh,
And it's funny that we'll get them all mixed up like that, and they just love mixing their food together.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Some of you kids and cadets, you like mixing your food together?
No.
No. I like having one food separate from another food. But there's all kinds of folks that like to do things differently. Yeah.
Oh.
So they'll enjoy it because pigs don't care. And I think we'll be in good shape with them. So I think it's time to go back to the barn.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So back to the barn, kids and cadets.
Yep.
Think back to the barn, TJ.
Got it.
Kazoo.
Oh.
And we're back in the barn.
Oh, yeah.
Great job, kids and cadets.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah, this has been a very busy day.
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, it didn't seem like we had a lot to do, but what we did, we took some time with,
Oh, yeah.
and we did a good job.
It's nice to see the animals again.
Yeah, so sometimes it's taking the time, not necessarily getting too many things done and getting all tired.
Yeah.
Yeah, and your boo-boo looks like it's going to be just fine.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, well, especially when you get Mrs. G's magic kiss.
Oh.
Yeah, so remember, TJ and kids and cadets, put away your things.
Yeah, I know.
It's a good habit to start and a good habit to continue. But until then, the work is done. We've had some fun, and now it's time to go.
We'll see you next time, kids and cadets, on the Fun Farm Show.